Welcome to the Driver Record Dashboard. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to utilize all of the application's features and get the most out of your DRD experience. First, let's log in. To start, you'll want to set up your email alerts so you don't miss important notification in the event that one of your drivers receives a conviction or a suspension. This is where you would enter your email address. I'm going to enter an example one. To get back to your roster, you're going to go to your drivers, and next you'll need to build your roster. So this can be done by clicking the Add Drivers button and pasting your list of driver license numbers or typing them out into the field. You can add up to 1,000 numbers at one time and no other information is required. I'm going to paste my list in. You'll notice that your driver's information will auto-populate in the table at the bottom of the page. You've successfully built your roster. In the unfortunate event there is a new conviction or suspension, Access Idaho will automatically pull the driving record for you. Those records are viewable by clicking the View Record link in the Conviction/Suspension column. So we have an example one here. The record will display on your screen and you'll be able to print the page for your records. Please note that any offenses incurred before monitoring began will not be displayed in this column. From the roster, you'll be able to organize your drivers by group. For example, you can create a label for forklift drivers, delivery drivers, school bus drivers, etc. You can see we have a few started here. Just click the Add link under the group column and enter the label you'd like to assign the selected driver. Upon returning to your roster, you'll be able to view your driver's information quickly and easily by typing into the search field or sorting any of the columns. This allows you to view all drivers in a specific group, pull all drivers with convictions or suspensions to the top of the list, or to see upcoming license and medical certification expiration dates. In addition to driver monitoring, you'll also have the ability to pull records instantly, either individually or in bulk. This will help keep you in compliance with annual verification requirements. Just click the Buy Records button. Check the box in front of each driver whose record you wish to purchase and click Buy Selected Records. The total purchase price will display on your screen and you'll be asked to confirm your purchase. You'll then receive a message confirming your purchase and instructing you to check back once you've been notified that the records are ready to view. And because every accounting department needs documentation for their reconciliations, you'll be in compliance with them too, as you will be able to view your history and print past receipts for every transaction. You can view that by going to the Receipts and History tab, and you can see the full transaction report here. Whether your company deploys a massive fleet or an army of one, the Driver Record Dashboard promotes safety and compliance in one convenient location. Contact Access Idaho today to get started.